Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first video, hi, I'm Alaina, and this is The Organized Money, where we talk about all things money. That is my very first time saying that, and if you don't know why I'm saying that, and I'm not saying planning and talking about money, make sure that you check out this video where I talk all about it and introduce my new planning channel. Today's video is a reading plan with me in my book, The 6 Secrets of Money. I wrote this book in 2017. It was about 5 years into my money journey, and I wanted to share the 6 things that I believe made me successful with staying on track with my money. So today I wanted to share those 6 things with you, and if you want to get the book, of course, I would truly appreciate it. The link will be in the description box. So the first thing that I did was print out stickers to the front cover of the book. I like to do this with every book that I review because it helps me as soon as I open up my planner to see which book I am referring to. I also pulled out a couple of Happy Planner sticker books. I only ended up using the rainbow sticker book in order to decorate this spread though. I'm adding the date that the book was released at the very top, and now we're going to jump into the secrets. The first secret is the secret of self-control. I realized very early in my money journey that if I didn't get control of myself and discipline myself, that I wasn't going to get far with my money at all. Emotional spending was really big for me, and learning myself was such a big part of my money journey. I realized that I couldn't really be too much of anything. If I was too happy, too sad, too overwhelmed, I really made some poor financial decisions, so I needed to be in tune with myself in order to be in tune with my money. So in the beginning, I worked a very long time on my money mindset, and I still read things on money mindset today because it's a huge part of my journey. The second secret is the secret of systems. Being organized through routines and systems can save you so much money. And that's how planning, time management, and life organization became so important to me. So I started developing routines in every area of my life, and it had a real positive effect on my money. So I try and schedule everything. Third secret is the secret of strategy. Once I was organized and had all of my systems in place, I had to develop my goals so I could figure out how to achieve them. This is where I decided what determined success for me and how I was going to get there. And I had to learn my money personality so that I could set the right strategy. If you don't know what I mean by money personality, you can check out this playlist. I talk all about it there. The fourth secret is the secret of survival. This is for those of you who may feel like you're drowning. This chapter focuses completely on debt and how to maintain life when you feel like you can't stay on top of your money. I remember this feeling, and I share what I did to basically get through it. It was a very hard season in my life, but just know that if you are there, I feel you, I see you, and it's going to get better. The fifth secret is the secret of saving money. I love to save money. I find it so relaxing when you open up your bank app and you see a nice number in your savings account. So in the book, I share 60 ways to save money, and they are all like easy things that you can start and do now. And if you have any other easy ways to save money, make sure that you leave them in the comments below. The sixth secret is the secret of surplus. So I am all about the side hustle. I love finding ways to make more money. I talk about 30 different ways in the book. We currently have 6 streams of income coming into our home, and I love it because it doesn't make you completely rely on one particular stream when you have different streams coming in at any point in time. And if y'all want a video on the pros and cons of that, I can definitely do that for you. So that's the 6 secrets of money. This is the overview of my book, and I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I hope this video is going to help you on your money journey. Now I'm just adding some stickers, and I'm going to show you the finished look. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to follow me over on Instagram, and I will see you in the next one. Until then, keep organizing your life so that you can achieve your dreams. Bye, guys.